Hi, in this lecture, I will be talking about the self-study process. The self-study process consists of 6 steps, which involve concept building, practice, test, analysis, improvement, and then finally revision. The course forward comes in the similar pattern where a little bit of concept building will be shown initially, along with some practice, some resources for tests, an exam analysis sheet for you to improve your performance, and then finally a revision sheet. This self study process has been tried and tested with many people as well as myself when I was able to score 740 in GMAT. The basic fundamental step is the concept building step. This concept building step actually is the part where you learn the theory and the concepts, the formulas, the logics of verbal and quant. After this, you practice questions on the basis of these concepts through books, through the GMAT resources, which we'll be discussing later. A very important part of the self-study process is tests. Mock tests are the best way of analyzing where you stand and how your preparation is going. Mock test also gives you a feel of the exam pattern, of the exam environment, and you're able to adjust more efficiently while giving the original or the main exam. Next comes the analysis part. Once you've given a mock test and have practiced enough questions, you need to find out your weak areas. Where are you making silly mistakes, and how can you improve your score to increase it to a 700 plus score? This analysis can be done through data or by understanding how you're performing and your stress levels during the mock tests. Next comes the improvement part. Once you have identified your weak spots, the critical areas, it's time to improve. For some, it might be a problem of concentration where they're making a lot of silly mistakes. But for some, it might be conceptual error where they're not able to understand the concept, and we need to go back to step 1 of concept building. The final step comes of revision, where you need to revise your concepts, where you need to revise your strategies in order to perfectly score on the day, the final day of your exam, and keeping all the strategies and all the ideas in mind, performing to the best of your ability. This can be done through constant revision, which involves having a summary of all the topics that you have learned, all the mistakes that you made, and all the things that you need to be cautioned about. In the upcoming lectures, we'll be discussing about quant and verbal in detail and how to actually make a summary and an analysis sheet for your own. In the upcoming lectures, we will be iterating more on the self-study process and understanding a study timeline of how to get a 700 plus score in 2 months of preparation. Happy learning.